What's up, guys? Happy 4th. It's been a while. On a train station. I hear fireworks like crazy. It's legal here in Michigan to buy them and shoot them off wherever you want. So, yeah. If you guys don't remember, this building was, well, it was a building. Now it's all torn down. I don't know if they're going to restore it or not, or what, but if you can remember, I had a doll I brought here. Wonder if we'll be able to find it. Maybe they took it. You know, I think they're cleaning it up because it's like cleaned up real good. Yeah, like all this, I didn't even think all this was exposed before. Remember, that was the room that door shut on me. I really think there's gonna be a way in there. I don't know, nails? Yeah. Oh. Scared the hell out of me. Yeah, they took down all the walls and everything. Oh. This is where all the lockers were. A lot of fireworks. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and yeah, comment below of any challenges or something. Let's see. So the corner of the building was probably like around here, and the doll. Oh yeah, here we go. Okay, so this was right here. So it'd be over here somewhere. It's a lot of glass. I don't see it. I just see bugs. Get off me. Take a souvenir, huh? Maybe not. Thought we could have got something. No, I don't see it. I'm try walking around the other side maybe, but see some fireworks? Maybe. Every time I turn around, they're probably gonna shoot some off. Yeah, I don't see the doll somewhere in there. It's like bugs all over the place. This bright old light. Alright, we're gonna go check out that side. Make this a little bit dimmer. Here we go. Yep, just swallowed a bug. That was nasty. Hey, can you see up in there? Oh, you can. Hey, that's pretty cool. Yep, you know the drill. Oh! Almost lost it. It's over here. There used to be doors right here and everything. Oh, I should be able to see down there now. Nothing to really see, but graffiti looks pretty good in here. That looks kind of fresh. Oh, that might be new. Maybe. Okay. No, I cannot. I was gonna try to step on that. Look around over here. Rest in peace, headphone users. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Ground's really soft. It's like walking on a sponge. I really wish we could have got that doll. No, there's one still at that gas station. So, yeah. It's really all gone. There's nothing really much left of this place. I think they're going to restore it though. Because it's like destroyed, but they cleaned up what they destroyed pretty quick. All the windows and everything. I might replace all the windows. Because it's a little bit better. I don't really know if this place was, oh, what's that? No, it's just tape. Whoa! What was that? Something's out there. I don't know if you guys heard that or not. Let me know if you did. Alright, that's gonna wrap this one up. Ah, bugs. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, share, comment, and yeah, peace out.